Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Quick one today, we're going to look at how to do an old school alignment. Basically, we're adjusting just the toe on the vehicle. Taking a ladder, anything, and tie a string to it, and it needs to go, try to get it as close to center line of the axle as you can. If we assume that this rear axle is in the vehicle straight, which is what we're going to do here, then we want to align the front to it. So you adjust the string there and there so that it is just barely touching here and here. So I can move this and I can see, if I pull it out, it bounces off every time. So we are just barely touching the tire. So then when you come to the front, you want to measure the distance here and here, and they need to be identically the same measurement would be an exact straight alignment. Typically from the factory, you want them towed in a degree or two. So what you'd want to do is this one may be about a 1/16 of an inch or so further in than this. And all you do is you either lengthen or shorten your tie rods in order to adjust this. Before you start, it's important that your steering wheel is straight so that everything ends up being straight where you want. But you just do one side, and then we'll go over to the other side. Now, after you adjust one of those tie rods, you've got friction down here that's preventing it from moving as you lengthen or shorten. So you want to take the front end and bounce it up and down, lifting it off the ground and setting it back down. You don't have to come all the way up, just lift it up enough to release that pressure so that it straightens back out. So after you adjust it, bounce it up and down or lift it and set it back down, and that'll align it. That's all there is to it. You can do the toe adjustment on alignment yourself. You don't need to take it to a shop to get this done. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.